Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn about the fundamentals of PageFly Paragraph Element. Paragraph Element is one of the fundamental elements in PageFly. The paragraph element is designed to present any text content on your page in order to increase your conversion rate. You can use this element as a content body or description for any section on your page. Sometimes, you can also use paragraph element to direct to another link, or send an email. Now, we are on PageFly Page Editor. You can find this element under the basic parameter when clicking the Add Element icon on the left toolbar. Simply, there are two options of paragraph element: without drop cap and with drop cap. You can edit the text in paragraph text box and turn on or off the button to show or hide the drop cap. I have just prepared a sample paragraph, so all I need to do is paste the content here. Done. Of course, I will let the drop cap show up there, but I need to change the A into W and delete a W in this first word. Look amazing, guys. In General tab, you can choose to edit the whole text or just edit some specific words. However, please note down that you should only use those functions to edit some words inside paragraph element to avoid conflict. First of all, you can choose different formats of the text. It could be bold, italic, underline, or strike through. You are also able to change the text color, background color. Let the text be superscript or subscript. Bear in mind that before choosing the format, you have to pick up the word first. Another interesting function is that you can add a link to this text by using this chain icon. Click on the words you want to insert the link. Type the link you want to head to. I will type, for instance, pagefly.io. Define where the link will be opened by switching on or off this button. I choose Open a new tab and save it. It is also possible to link to an email the same way. So I'm just going to select some other texts, click on the mail icon. And in here, you can write any email address you want to link to. In this case, I will paste my email here. You can also prepare the mail subject and mail content and save as the last step. You can do the same if you want to insert a number by using this function. When clicking on the word with the link inserted, you are free to copy, edit or remove the link. Is that cool? You can definitely do more in the styling tab. You can change the content color. I will choose green, for example. With styling tab, you can also edit the font family and the font size. This helps your paragraph look more attractive. PageFly provides you a variety of fonts to choose. If you cannot find the font you like in PageFly, you can upload your font by using Uploaded Font function by heading to Global Styles in PageFly. Please check the video tutorial in the description box. You can adjust the font size here. Next is the text alignment: left, center, right, or justify. And the text style can be adjusted too. In more settings, you can adjust font weight, line height, letter spacing, and text transform. Last but not least, here is the part where you can change the background color and background image, together with border styles of the paragraph you chose. Lastly, an element that combines with paragraph element I would like to recommend is testimonials. So I'm going to come to Add Template section by clicking on plus icon on the page editor. Click on Category here and choose Testimonials. As you see, each of the testimonials element contains a paragraph. This will showcase the customer's feedback about your products. I will choose this pre-made section. You can change by the exact same way I have introduced above. Now, when I save all the changes and publish the page, let's take a look with our paragraph. It looks like this. Here is the link I added. And here is the email I linked to. Great, right? This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.